In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account for your business. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Safari web browser and then go to google.com. You have to be signed into your account, and after you do that, just hit right here at your profile picture and then tap on add another account. On that page you have to hit at create account link to show up that options, and now you have to choose which type of account you want to create. You can create account for your personal use, for your child, or for work or business. Just hit for work or business, and now you have to fill that form. You have to enter your first name, last name, then username, that would be actually your email address, and then you have to enter password and then confirm it. After that, you can hit at next button to create account for your business. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.